God, why me? Why? God, what have I done wrong to deserve this? What is my sin? What is my crime? God, I've been faithful to you. I've been honest. I've been truthful to you. God, where have I gone wrong? Why have you forsaken me? I can't even do what my mates are doing. I can't even get married like my mates are getting married. Every blessed day from one hospital to another. Taking different medications, all in the name of getting better. And this is what I get. God, what have I done? Where have I gone wrong? I just have 2 more days to live. God, why me? Why me? What kind of a life is this? I've been sick my whole life, hoping to get better one day, and now this. I just have to. God, why me? What have I done? What is my offense? This is my reward for being a Christian.